Hi guys! Oh my god, parang ang tagal ko hindi nag-live. Hi everyone! Hello! Ikaw, mag-live nga ako sabi ko, mag-live nga ako naka-sold out ako ng I missed you all. Ang tagal kong nahimik sa buhay Hi guys. Hi. Yeah. How are you, love? I'm good. Tayo nasagot yan. Okay naman. Actually, medyo lumagay ako sa tahimik recently after, so you guys may know, I moved in. Songkran Kamamshi. Yes! Flight ko na sa Thursday. So, see ya. So guys, if there are kung may mga bakla na magsasongkran this weekend, I'll be performing at the House of Heels on Friday. So yeah. Hi! Hello! Ang cute mo naman, Nobita. Nobita! I miss you, Mom. Na-miss ka namin, Miss Eva. I miss you. I miss you guys too. Medyo talaga nag-focus lang ako sa sarili ko this past few weeks, I think. Halos isang buwan. Parang February pa ako huling nag-drag. Tapos April na. February, March, April. Oh my God. Ang tagal kong hindi nag-drag. At hindi nag-live, OMG House of Heels, I hope I can go there, but I can't. You can. Deserve you look so happy. Yes. Parang hindi ako matulowa. Sold out. Show in 2 hours. Diba? No, I'm going through some hiatus on my creative side as Eva. So, yeah. Actually, nag-iisip na ako ng roast ko Nag-iisip ako ng roast Tapos, umorder din kasi ako ng sushi. So, habang inaantay ko yung aking Grab, you know what? Mag-live muna ako. Ayan. Sobrang fresh mo naman po. Aba? Ganito ang fresh ng taong ka ng trabaho for 2 months. Ganyan, walang puyat, 8 hours ang tulog, regulated ang nervous system, ganito. Nakipikit na ako sobrang miss kita. Miss you too, guys. The shows you produce, I know. Gusto niyo ba ng night 2 ng Sinetch Live with Lynn from Las Vegas? Diba? Which party attendant mo? Mag-G-circuit ka. Ma'ams, I'm going to S2O tsaka Siam Songkran Festival. So talagang, as a party girl, Diyos ko, sana kaya din ng katawang lupa ako lahat ng party this week. Nanahimik ako nung Holy Week. And now, bibirit ako this weekend. My glowing, growing, going girl. Yes, I miss you. I miss you too. Yan, sobrang glowing. Salamat. I mean, we all deserve to glow. Siam Pak, yes. Ma'ams yung mga casting message mo and then I'll see you there. Let's link up. I'm sure makikita tayo kung saan mga kalsada ng Silom. Doon tayo magtutuos. Daya ni Mayor, sabi ko drag queen papuntahin sa Laguna. Ayun nga, sayang. Miss ko na S1. Yes. Sarap naman. Ako ba? Ako ba yung masarap? Grabe naman. Pwede na ulit magsulat. Go! I'll see you, moms! Oh my God, I'm excited. Ang tahimik ng buhay ko ng Holy Week. Habang lahat pumaparty, ako nagdinilay-nilay. And then, this Songkran weekend, bawi ako. You're really aging backwards. Thank you. June 20. Ba't nga ba pinablock yung June 20? Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. June 20. Oh my God. It's one of my biggest. It's actually my most ambitious show yet. It's bigger. It's my biggest, most ambitious show yet. So, June 20. Nabenta ka na yung, kaya ang aga, siguro yung isa lang, aga magbenta ni Eva ng Rose, ay ng Sinech. May June 20, yes. Zia, you have to come here for June. Tapos magreklamo ng mga mako-FOMO, sinabi ko na sa inyo. Yes. Pwede bang minors sa Snatch? Yes, pwede naman. As long as they are accompanied by an adult. Ganda mo ngayon, mother, as in. Feeling ko din. I feel fresh, rejuvenated. So, shout out to Lift Aesthetic Clinic for my face and Montinola Aesthetic for my neck. Baba. Host kami. Hi, Gao. Oh my God, my husband is here. Hey, Gao. Drag in the South. Yeah, it's still under the works. Drag in the South. We're still doing some talks with SM and the boys at Drag in the South. It's still under works. But don't worry. Mangyayari ang mangyayari. Para siya sa atin. Minty Fresh sa evangelism. Nako, natumbok nyo. I might be releasing evangelism. Baka hindi ako mabot ng Thursday, but I might release it on either Friday or Saturday. Okay? Pinapasabi ng mama ko, ang ganda mo daw sobra. Oh, thank you. Shit. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta si Precious? Wala na akong balita. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyayari sa mundo? Hindi kasi ako nagto-Twitter. At lang ako, tahimik lang sa umpisa. Ayan. Pabili po ice. When si Gian Bernardino? Si Gian, we are editing his episode. We'll probably release it sa Pride Month. Yes. Totoo yung sa Reddit. Ang alin? Twitter nga, hindi ko alam. So, I probably don't know what happened to Reddit. Is it about Miss Wa? Well, that was very unfortunate. So, I hope you guys have prayed for the soul of the beautiful Queen, Miss Wa. And life is precious. So, yon. Kamusta na nga ni? Miss niyo po isa't isa. Oo, actually, kahapon nandito si Marina. So si Marina, dahil Makatizen na rin ako, nagluto siya ng adobo niya. So pumunta siya dito, tapos kumain kami ng adobo. Tapos nag-send kami ng photo kay Precious. Niyayaya namin si Precious. Kaso, I think Precious is working on a project. Nag-film ata siya ng panibagong something. At hindi siya nakapunta. But na-miss ko na makabanding din yung mga sisters. Ngani! When kay Minty? Well, yung kay Minty na yung ine-edit. Kanina I just reviewed. So the next evangelism is with Minty Fresh. I already reviewed the episode earlier. May mga gusto lang akong i-inserts. Tsaka may mga inaayos lang akong may pinapa-edit lang ako. But very minor na lang. I think they're exporting it. Hopefully by tonight or by Friday, baka makapag-upload na tayo. Hindi mo na ako pinapansin. Oo naman. Tinawanan. Oo naman. Ano daw ganap sa anniversary? Matutulog tayong lahat. Yes. Unfortunately, I don't think I have bandwidth and to come up with something on April 26. Alam ko anniversary namin yon, ang kasal namin. My God! 1 taon na nang kinasal kami. Night 2 of Sinech game, please. Yes. So as you know, we're calling it Sinech Live. Night 2, sige. Actually, iniisip ko mag-night 2. Nakasama this time si Arizona. The thing is, so sa mga naghahanap kay Arizona sa Sinesh Live, I think she has a prior commitment in, I think, sa ibang place. Basta it's outside of Manila eh. So meron siyang prior commitment on that day. That's why she cannot join the Sinesh Live on June. However, I might be able to do a night 2. Oh my God! Ninang Ange! I won't be here. What? Ang lakas ng what? Ay, nako! Papayag ko naman. Paano ba yan, Ange? Grabe, Ange. So, wala ka. So, kailangan naming mag-night 2 kasi wala ka doon. I wanna see your Imelda Marcos character, Eva. Oh my God, that was crazy. That Imelda character, ano siya? It was something. Kami nila Baus, with my other friends, sila Papu of Spit Manila, sila Ai, may sure rest in peace. So, we trained and workshopped Imelda Marcos for Snatch Game. And I would dare say myself that I was ready kung umabot ako dun sa Snatch Game na yun. Actually, no, bakit nga hindi Imelda yung ginamit ko for Snatch Game? For the Snatch Live? Gusto nyo ba? Actually, no. Bakit hindi yun yung nilabas ko? O nga. So, I think we really need to have a night 2 of Snatch Live. Where sa night 2 of Sinesh Live, we're gonna have PGMA, Inday Sara, tas Imelda, and then Lynn from Las Vegas. Night 2. Do you guys want night 2? Pwede pa yan sa night 2. 1 year na pala pagsuyo mo sa hobby mo, yes. Ayan na, Imelda for night 2. Oh, you guys are not ready. Okay. Nasaan ba yung costume ko? Tinapan ko na ata yung costume ko ng Imelda. Or pinamigay ko na ata. Papagawa pa ako ng bago. Yes, sabi sa Yuma Di kasi tayo nakapag-meeting. O, di ba? Naging ano na naman tayo. Naging meeting na naman. Pinamigay mo na ata. John, pakitanong nga sa mga I think pinamigay ko siya sa isa sa mga protege. So nakaila na lang 'yun. Pinamigay niyo na po Miss Eva yung damit na Imelda. Oh my God. So, nagpagawa ako ng exact Kingmaker look ni Imelda. Actually, no. Pahanap nga nun. Bibiling ko na lang ulit. Pahanap siya. Yeah, so I might... Okay, so if you guys want a night 2... I don't think I can do it on Pride Month. Kasi June 2 na yun. So, John, pacheck nga ng availability ng Music Museum ng July. Every live nagbi-music. Ang lala. Sa ting nagla-live ako, parang laging may may ganyan. Mapakalakihan po yung venue. Tapos tapat natin 10-25 ticket selling. Okay. Sige. Lalakihan ko yung venue. And then, guys, kasi the thing is, for events like that, improv kasi siya. So, si improv relies a lot on the energy and the bounce back ng energy ng audience. So, yun yung different niya. For example, Snatch Game, you do it on TV. Wala kaming feedback system. So, hindi nga namin alam kung nakakatawa yung mga jokes namin or hindi. It depends on how it's gonna be edited. So, for us to make improv shows such as Roast and Snatch Game, or Sinech Live to work, it needs to be a venue na hindi siya sobrang laki. Dapat naririnig namin yung hagik-gik ng mga tao so that we can also live on. Kasi walang script yun eh. Walang script yung Sinech Live. Wala. So we need a feedback system. We tried it last time sa Dry in the South, yung roast of Kiana. The feedback was that it was so hard for us na magpatawa kasi hindi namin naririnig yung tawa ng tao. So, hindi namin ma-pace yung jokes namin. So, ending parang, it wasn't exactly one of our best roasts. It was such a good lineup, such amazing jokes. Pero yung delivery namin naapektuhan kasi masyadong malaki. Right? So, we need a little, may mga vice guest judge sa political. Okay, so let me just spill the tea. Kung So, hindi naman na matutuloy. So, I think pwede ko naman siyang i-announce, no? So, initially, ang guest player for Sinech Live, kasi medyo parang political yung mga characters, diba? So, nakita nyo parang medyo apat. May mga political figures such as Inday Sara, GMA, and Mayor Joy Belmonte. So, parang, parang medyo politically charged. So, ang nilapitan kong guest player sana was Miss Cara David. Unfortunately, she's not available, but she said she is very interested. So, sayang. Pero abangan nyo kung sino yung guest player natin. So, ayun. Ayun lang. Like, it's so amazing. Tumawag yung Grab. Nandiyan na daw siya. Sabi ko, iwan muna sa Walang sound. Sige.